How to check watch history on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can check watch history on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to check your watch history on Twitter, it's actually quite very simple to do so, but for this you have to understand one thing, that is that Twitter directly doesn't allow you to find all of the histories that you have watched in the past. But what you can try to do is instead you can just try to download that certain data of your Twitter application or your Twitter account, and inside of it you should be able to find your watch history. So to do this, you can try to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen, go to settings and support, and go to settings and privacy here. After you go to settings and privacy, you can just go to the option called your account, and right here you'll find an option known as download and archive of your data. So now you can tap on download and archive of your data option here, and as you go ahead and then do that, you should be able to download the information for your Twitter account. When you download it, inside that file of your email you will be able to go ahead and also find your watch history. Now this is called directly requesting Twitter to actually give you your Twitter data. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.